Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you Parted Magic. Like you know, here you can see it, a really nice one app which will help you to, not app but like a system. So it will help you. First thing, you can see here all of your characteristic of your usage of your CPU or RAM and other things. Also, if you have problems with your drive, so you can't just remove some volume from your macOS, you can also just choose here partition editor, sorry, and from here you can also just remove it like this one. Right tap on it and just choose format to, or you can also just remove it if you want, just by tapping on delete. So here you can see that we successfully deleted. Now you just need to tap on apply. Let's just close it and just check if everything will be saved. So like, let's open partition editor, and here you can see that we successfully saved these things. So it's really powerful, really nice one, powerful thing. So I hope that it will help you in your installing in Windows installing, and sometimes you can't just remove some partition from your macOS, and it also will help you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.